How to make a donation website using WordPress, easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to create a donation website where you can accept donations using WordPress. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your wordpress.com and you will land right here. On your WordPress, what you can do is you can select a simple theme to get started with a website. And then we will convert it into a donation website. You can create a website for your organization or business if you accept donations. How to add a form and how it works. For that, I will actually take you to the WordPress dashboard. Alright, so this is the dashboard for my WordPress website, and you will get to the dashboard of your website. On our dashboard, we will of course create a website which is going to be really simple. You can select a theme by just going to the appearance and selecting theme. You can add different posts to it. In order to accept donation, we will require a plugin. For that, scroll down to the plugin section right here and click on add new. In add plugin section, what you need to do is you will search for WP forms, or you can search for give WP actually, so that we get to the right plugin. Alright, so this is the plugin right here, Give WP Donation Plugin and Fundraising Platform. Accept donation and begin fundraising with Give WP, the highest rated WordPress donation plugin for online giving. So this plugin will help me convert my simple website into a donation website. You can see this plugin has 100,000 active installation and is compatible with my WordPress version. So you're going to click on install now. I have already installed this plugin. That is why it says update. So you will click on install now and then click on activate. So our plugin is right here. I'm going to click on all forms. So you can see here we have our plugin and we will be able to create our donation forms. To create a brand new form, what you need to do is you will click on add form. All right. Give your form a name. So I'm going to call it e-test form. So this is the name that I have added, and you can see we are getting our permalink here and we have some of the templates available. So you have to select the template first. If you want to go with a multi-step form, classic form, or a legacy form, so I'm just going to go with a classic form instead of a multi-step. Click on activate and your template will be activated. So it has its own, form. It has its own fields and different layout, also the color, the background color, everything. So we can customize it according to us, or what you can do is you can also start from the scratch. First of all, we have a form template. So I will just click on activate and it is activated. Then we have to go to the donation options. Here we will select donation, multi-level donation or set donations. I'm going to select donation here. We can go with an amount that if a person wants to donate, they can donate any amount, or we can set a donation that, okay, you have to give $25 or you have to donate $100. And that's not what I'm going to do. You can donate anything you want to. Custom amount. So if you want to go with a custom amount, or you want to disable it, you will select this option. Then we have donation limit. So you can set a limit that minimum, this is the limit for the donation, and the maximum. So we have the minimum of 5 and the maximum is this right here. So I'm going to go with the same limit that we get with the template. It's actually pretty good, but you can add like a limit right here. For example, the limit for your donation is maybe like $1,000. So you can just enter 1,000 here. And if you want to go with minimum 20, then you can add right here. Moving on, we have custom amount text. So we have to enter like the text. What is going to be the text when they enter the amount? So this is what it will look like. Then we have donation level. So the donation level is going to be with $10 text donation level again. So this is all about the form that people will be filling in order to give donation to my website. So this is how you add level to your donation form. Then we have to click on the form field. What are the different fields that are required on the form? You can see right here. First of all, we have a gateway, which is going to be global. Name, global option required, okay. Company donations, global. If you do not accept company donation, you can disable this option. Last name field is required. Anonymous donation is also enabled. Honor comments are enabled as well. Guest donations are allowed. Registration, there is none. Okay, so these are the forms fields with the template that we are getting. So if I click on preview now, you will be able to see the form that we just used with the template. Now, working with the template becomes really easy and you don't have to do a lot. You can see right here now, this is my, you can see donor dashboard, my account, everything. So this is the form. And here you will get the preview on your website. If you want to start from the scratch, then I will be able to actually give you a better view. So I'm just gonna leave this page and click on add form. So you go to the form fields right here and it shows you again the same thing, how to create it, but this time you will be creating it from the scratch. You can switch to the donations and it will show you all of the donations that you accepted or the donations you have added. So you can just activate your WP Give forms, your plugin, and you will be able to create donation forms really easily. You can set up all the things. You can also check out the forms that you have already created. Let me show you one of the forms that is actually activated and that helps me raise money. So this is the one, and I'm gonna show you. You can see right here, this is what it looks like. This is the form that I created with WP Give. So this is what I showed you. You can see people click on donate now and they are driven to this amount. Then they can enter the amount they want or they can select from the given amount. So I'm going to click on custom and then they enter the amount, for example, $500. Continue. First name, last name, company name, email address, and leave a comment. After that, I also added like agree to terms. This is their summary. Click on donate now and then it takes them to their payment method. So this is how the donation works, donation form work, and this is on my website. It is one of the forms that is activated and it is created with WP forms. So you can also create a form like this, just how I showed you. And the website is going to be similar. You can select any kind of theme. A simple theme will work and it will help you create your donation. And then you will get a website and you can create your donation form to work with it. You can add different fields to your donation form. You can select if you want to add a custom amount or not, if anonymous donations are accepted or not, if you want them to sign up or not. So these are all the different things that are required in order to create a donation form. Click on publish and it will be published on your website and you'll be able to get a professional donation form just like this. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to do everything about the topic and I hope that you understood everything and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question.